you know, of course you're gonna have something blow up when you got something huge walls and air bubbles in there. Okay. Okay, got it centered. Put a little hole in the top. Fill it with some water. If I find it's dry, I want to fill it sooner than later. Let's go a little further down. Let's fill it with some more water. Okay, got it. I'm about a quarter to half inch from the base. Now I'm flattening out that base. See that? Pushing down laterally. Now I'll take this wooden rib and get it flat here all the way. Get it further compressed. And that's mainly, again, to make sure you don't have any S cracks later on. An S crack is a crack in your base that looks like an S. And it happens when your base is not compressed sufficiently. Okay, so this one is called the hand warmer. And I love this shape. I called it the hand warmer because it's kind of like the kind of mug you want to wrap your hands around and warm them up in the winter. Okay, I'm narrowing the top because I only want that profile ridge to touch in one place at the bottom, and I want it to work its way up. So we'll start here. Here we go, we got that good base. I'm gonna work it out. Go along that profile there. Now I didn't have quite enough up to the top, but you know what? I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm actually just gonna not fill in that bulbous part. That bulbous part, some people like it, some people don't. You don't have to use it. Structurally, it helps. It's kind of like adding angle iron to your structure. It helps it to be stronger, but it's not necessary. And you can even freestyle do your own. You know, just kind of like do a little like that. I'm gonna do that, but that is the hand warmer shape.